Just got back from work and look what I walked into. Surprised by my queen. I love you, Mom. It's mean a lot to me. It's got a smile on my face for real right now, Mom. It's an early gift. Gifts, plural. Wow. Wow. I love you so much, Mom. It means so much to me. I don't never be acknowledging my birthdays. I love my birthdays though, but I don't never acknowledge them. This is beautiful. Not saying I do not celebrate, but acknowledging in the instincts of year-long round. I never usually really speak on my birthday, but I love it. You know, big Leo, month of 7 for sure. Thank you so much, Mom. This means so much to me. You know, we're going to do it righteous, you feel me, this year. Or every year we always do, you know. More blessings, more growth. What's up, I'm a production. You know, I'm back with you right now. I got an early surprise for y'all. It's an early surprise for me, but, you know, my birthday is 7/29, July 29th. So I got a great surprise right here from my queen, my mother, as you can see. Happy birthday today, 25th birthday. 24 right now, it's an early surprise. You feel me? Today, I believe it's the 21st. You feel me? So it's like at the same time, thank you, Mom, for the gift. We gonna see the surprise what's inside soon. We can get into some boxing. Then I believe we're gonna have another one here. It's not just one big one, it's 2 big ones. As y'all can see, we got some weight to it too now. This is from my little brother right here, Ryan. Thumbnail, y'all. Let's always get to the card first. And a happy birthday comes off 3 dimensions. Happy birthday. I like this one. Oh, and he even got a little feathers at the interactive card. That's tight.
I love you, son.
My mother got amazing handwriting like this.
Look, zoom in on that.
Pride in that handwriting.
We went to school, baby.
Beautiful.
I'll actually give you another gift on your birthday, and you know that would be cash. But this is.
Hey, now this was beautiful, y'all. Gee.
But I know you would need this before your birthday. Energy gonna love that.
Back shit, I'm playing with that, shaking that up. We ain't just gonna do it, we gonna get into it for real.
Get into it.
Artless
Get into it.
Yo.
I
Thank
love
you,
you.
Mom.
I love you.
Okay,
I love you so
I love
much.
you more, Mom. Yo.
Let the folks see what
Yo.
your mama do.
Hold on, y'all. Look at this right here. I ain't even opened it all the way yet. And I already see some crazy stuff right here. You feel me? I ain't even get into the whole box and I already seen something. OMG. Yo. Oh my gosh. This is the one, too. This is the one. Wow. This is the one I want.
That's the
I
top
like this
selling
one.
one.
This
And
the
you
one
can
I
wrap
like 'cause you
around
could,
trees, you can wrap it around your
pole,
stern wheel,
any-
pole, anything.
and it
That's the
still
best one.
sets up if we on the table for mukbangs. This the one I wanted.
Oh, we
Wow.
opened them?
Wow.
See how I got that?
The production game, feel me? We finna get up in the
The
production
microphone.
game for sure. Wow.
The guy in Best Buy was like, dang, I wish my mom, I need this. I wish my mom would give me one.
This is fire. We got the
But
mic,
I actually thought you was gonna wait
sound
till your
pop.
birthday. She got you everything. didn't
OMG. OMG. We got a tripod, big tripod. We got the mini one right
That's a
here.
handheld too. You can-
Handheld. This one extends?
This one too. It goes up to 5 feet tall.
Whoa.
But it's compact. You can
Take it on the go
Yeah.
too. I
These
thought I was
chips,
gonna
you
get one
did,
of these.
oh, that's in there.
Oh wow! Shout out Joby. OMG! I
This
thought
one
this.
doesn't
Gorilla
leave
grip.
nothing out. Look at that.
We got the bag.
Around.
Oh snaps! Unreal Production. Look at this, and it's Sony.
Yeah.
I said she didn't leave no stones unturned for you.
Whoa!
You got everything you
We got
need.
the bag. Oh snaps!
Like I said, I'm
This
ready to go.
fire.
Get ready to go and I see y'all.
Thanks, Mom. I'm back. Come on. Let me move this. This is Sony.
Yeah. Isn't your camera Sony? Right?
You know she ain't gonna play with you. I said, God, you didn't leave no stones unturned. You got everything you need.
OMG.
I'm not gonna even mention it because then that's that other one. Mm-hmm.
The receipt to this stuff is inside the pocket.
Receipt.
Right? Yeah, I'm just, you know how
Woo.
I'm just saying. It's in this pocket right
Go on to the next box. You think it's over.
here. You only just
It's
begun.
only just, I was just getting ready to say
Hold
that.
on, let me,
You think it's over.
Okay.
Remember I was saying to y'all, this is a hefty little box right here. It ain't even little. The other one ain't little neither, but at the same time, that has some weight to it. But I was letting y'all know this dude got some.
There's some hefty shit in it. Open it. I gotta go downstairs, but I want to see you
Uh-huh.
open it. She didn't play.
What the? Whoa! That is my name.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
And that other tripod can go in there, all can fit in there.
Oh,
You can do a backpack or hold it in like a business satchel.
Unreal Productions, y'all see it?
Mhm.
Embroidered in there. Embroidered.
You can feel it. This bag is silk.
Ain't nobody say that stairs that shit.
No, it's Teflon.
Yeah, 'cause
So it's
water can't
waterproof?
get in or nothing. Yeah, waterproof.
Yeah, remember picked that up. No, it's Teflon. So
Water
because he
and
said
love.
that would be the best thing because
It's a bag.
it
Yeah,
can
you
hold.
can
You
do
can
it
hold
like
it.
that
You can hold it like
or
a
a
briefcase
backpack.
or a backpack, and all of it can fit in there. Yes.
Yo.
Okay, I'm good.
Thank y'all so much.
You didn't play this shit.
All right. See y'all when I get back.
All right, Grandma. I see you
Yeah,
later.
you can hold it like a brief. All of that stuff can fit in there. Yes. Yes.
Come on.
Yeah.
Leveled up. Leveled up. Wow, this bag.
And look how you see how it
Got it.
expands. It expands. So all of that stuff can fit in there. You click those open and
And I
expand,
can hold
or you
this
can hold it
in
like
there.
that. Yeah.
This is sturdy. And they got the clips on the front.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. You putting this to work today.
Mm-hmm.
Today.
Mhm.
Today. Sheet protectors. Keep the
For your pictures.
pictures nice and protected. Wow.
And that's for your, I think a 20, but for your favorite 20.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
These all finna get used and filled soon.
And then I got a big folder for all the rest of them. And I think like 200 or 500 can fit in there or something like that.
540.
Oh, okay.
Almost 6. Sheesh.
But
We done
I got
leveled
the
up.
540 because the 5 plus
Productions,
4
man.
equal 9.
Right, right.
I mean, we are 9 family. It's something about the number 9.
Like, facts. Like, share, subscribe. You know, I'm overwhelmed in blessings right now. And I feel amazing. It's an early Bday gift. You know, I was thinking of waiting to the day, but, you know, I got some insight on I could be using this. You know, and it's still the same feeling, the same meaning, because these gonna be here and I cherish them. When my B-Day is here, it's gonna be the same way. This is some early footage for y'all for the birthday vlog coming on the way. You feel me? Y'all gonna see it in the next clips when it's the day, you know?
Watch out. Look out for the crab boil.
My favorite seafood, you know, we Creole now, for real.
When you're Creole, you eat shrimp for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's no time.
Oh, righteous nah. Look at that shrimp.
Just
White
shrimp and rice.
Come on.
Just for how you Americans eat chicken and rice, this is what we do when you Creole. You eat shrimp and rice.
Bugetto cookings, nah.
Just something quick for my sons.
Come on. This
Just
is
something
delicious.
really
Look,
quick.
I didn't have a sample shrimp. I want y'all to know. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss.
Look at that.
Gee. Delicious eats from Bugetto right here. Best restaurant in the world. Best restaurant in the world. Best cooking in the world.
That.
Oh,
Look at that.
gee.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We only use colossal shrimp here. We don't use small, medium. What is? I don't even know what those are. Only colossal.
The texture is amazing.
Not dry.
Quality,
Never dry.
very much saucy on the righteous side, not the bad side. Not overly, not watery runny, but saucy.
Oh, never watery.
Saucy as far as great
Yeah.
taste, great flavoring.
Cause we rice eaters, so.
Touches your palate amazingly. Great fulfillment.
Just a little snack for my boys. Just a little snack for my boys. A little snack. A little something, something.
You know, we finna get into the food review. We finna get into the food review, y'all. We finna get into the food review right here. We finna taste test, taste sample the shrimp and rice from Bugetto. You feel me? Thank you, Madre. Look right here, as we can see. As we can see, right here. Let me hold this for y'all. Right here, we have rice, you know, shrimp, cooked, great Creole dish right here. We finna get into it.
Equivalent to American chicken arms.
Rices. Taste the rice. OMG. Y'all know I love spicy food, and if you didn't know, I love spicy food. And I don't need no hot sauce on this. This rice is busting. 100 out of 10 on the rice. See that right there?
Folks, if you're making rice, please season it when you're cooking it. Thank you.
Rices. I want y'all to know, the Bday restaurant coming soon. Know y'all heard it here, you feel me? It's gonna be the last time y'all hear it. We got a shrimp covered in the rice right here. No shell on this one. You know when the Easters make you smile?
3 ingredients.
Wholesome. 3 ingredients. Tastes like it's a pallet of stuff in this. We clean Bday plates, you know? 10 out of 10 review.